imported beef.
Creator and founder of Silky Socks. I'm here today with a wig review of this sensational wig called Amani, and it is by Sensational Wigs. It is a lace front synthetic wig, and they actually have a natural center part in the wig. This is the card for it, where you can cut your hair out and put some over. I didn't do that. I just have put a little the Maybelline eyeshadow to define the part. I probably could definitely do some more defining in the front, but you guys, as you will see as this video goes on, this wig took a lot of work. When I just took it out of the box, I was not happy, but most wigs aren't, especially when they're curly like this. This wig comes in 9 different colors. I have it in one. I will put the link down below in the comments of where I got it. It also comes in 613, some orangey type of colors, a silver gray, a gold, a dark teal. So like I said, I will put it down in the comments below where I got the wig. Like I said, I did not care for the wig, just taking it out of the box. I definitely had to do some manipulating, but with curly wigs, you kind of have to do that unless you want to go for that. I don't know, I kind of felt like Rick James a little bit when I took it out. It is very thick, so if you're going for that Diana Ross big hair look, then this is definitely the wig for you. And stay tuned to the end so you can see everything that I did in order to get the wig to look like this. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We come to you with hair tutorials, wig reviews, teaching you how to take care of your wigs, DIY, so hit that subscribe button. It's free. Also, wherever you're watching, if you're watching over on YouTube, on your phone, or on your computer, go ahead and hit that bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop a video. And if you're watching over on Facebook, thank you so much. Go ahead and share and comment, and you can go over to YouTube or our blog and you can see, like I said, where I got the wig down in the comments below. So go ahead and stay tuned to the end so that you can see all that I did, and then you can make up your mind for yourself whether this wig is whether you purchasing or not. So this is the wig straight out of the box. The lace is on there. As you can see, it has a few of the baby hairs. It has a middle part. And then on the directions, it was saying you can cut out this part and do some leave out, but I probably won't do that. As you can see, it has the 2 combs in the front, the 1 comb in the back, and then the 2 adjustable straps. So I am already here with my wig cap on, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, but I'm gonna cut the lace off camera, you guys, because I don't know what's going on with my camera, but the lighting seems to just be getting dark sometimes, and I don't want to mess it up. So I'm going to just cut the lace off and put it on, and I'll be back so you can see. So you guys, here the wig is straight out of the packaging. I just cut the lace off and put it on. As you can see here, some of the baby hair. I'm not a big baby hair person with my wigs, but some wigs do need it. But this is it. I think it looks awful. I think it looks terrible, you guys. I don't think it looks anything. It definitely needs some work, so let's get to work. First, I'm going to take some water and spray the hair down. This is a synthetic wig, so I don't put a lot of product in synthetic wig because it's just plastic, and the hair isn't really going to absorb the product. So little bit of detangling, and a little tangling I'm getting as I'm rubbing it through, but feel like that's better already. A little less Diana. Unless that's the look you're going for. I didn't want that really big look. And so now I'm going to take and put some mousse in here. And that's the shedding that I got. Just detangling with my hands. I probably should get a brush and brush it through. Taking some mousse. This is a water-based product, so now I'm just going to take the mousse and rub it in here. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I really need a pick. I was brushing it, but brushing it is just making it get bigger. I really need a pick. But now I'm taking some of this kinky curly custard and putting that on it to help weigh, since this has a curl pattern, and also help weigh some of the curls down. Look at that already. I feel like that's helping. Like I said, usually I don't put products. Getting some tangling down here, but that's what happens with curly hair, especially synthetic. But I also feel like I should cut it too a little shorter. So I'll probably go in the mirror and do that as well. And then I'm going to let this sit in it for a while. Take my curling iron and just rub the tops to help flatten the wig in the crown, because that's what really makes, in my opinion, wigs look really wiggy. I think that looks a little better already, you guys. So, you guys, I went and I cut the hair with my scissors off camera. So this is a lot of hair. I think part of what was making it look so wiggy is that it was so thick. The hair is so thick at the bottom, and we all know your hair, real hair, gets thinner at the bottom. It doesn't get thicker, and it was so thick. It still is thick. I probably could do some more cutting, but you know, I don't want this video to be forever. But so I went off camera and I cut some of the wig hair off, and then I was gonna put baby hair on it, but I just feel like this wig is already so thick and doing so much. I don't feel like it really needs baby hair. So what I'm gonna do, also like I was saying, to get it to lay down further in the crown, is I'm putting a little bit of that curling gel on here, and then what I'm gonna do is put the eyeshadow on the part to define it a little bit more, and then I'm going to tie it with a scarf for about 20 minutes. I'm going in with the Fit Me Maybelline, and I used to do, let me just really get up, I used to do the concealer, but I feel like this powder is a little bit nicer because the powder isn't as thick, and it's a little bit easier to wash out in the wigs. So now that I'm done with putting the powder in there, I'm just going to go ahead and rub a little bit of the kinky curly custard again on those edges to put them in with the wig, because like I said earlier, I just feel like it's too much with the baby hair. This hair is already so thick and poofy, and I mean, if that's the look that you want and the look that you're going for, then it'll work. For me, I just think because I'm so short and my face is so round, I don't know. I'm not really liking it. You can share in the comments with me down below what you think. I mean, I do feel like it has a little bit of that. Oh my God, sorry guys. Ooh, I'm struggling today. I do feel like it has a little bit of that Diana Ross look. And so, you know, if that's the look you're trying to go for, then definitely, or if you like that thicker look, I just feel like it's a little much for me personally. But yeah, there we go. Just want to tie it on here tight. And let it sit. Another thing too that I could probably do, or I would do anyway at night, is I would braid this wig, wet it, and then braid it so that it'll keep the, you know, keep the curl pattern. But I like it with a scarf on it. All right, so let's give it another 20 and I'll be back. Okay, so you guys, it's been 20 minutes. I think that looks a lot better. So let me just come a little closer so you can see. Yeah, I think this looks so much better. As you can see, it's still thick in the ends, but I think it is a lot better. So as always, when I take this wig off, I'm not going to put it back in the plastic that it came in. I'm going to place it inside our lovely silky sack. And for those of you who are not sure what a silky sack is, a silky sack is a luxurious silk lined bag that I created to store your wigs and hair extensions in when you're at home or on the go. And the great thing about the silky sack is the silk lining keeps the hair moisture, keeps it, the wig can last longer. You can wear it over and over and over and over again. And if you want to know more about our products, you're more than welcome to head over to silkysacks.com. It is in the link down below. I also will put down in the link below where I got the wig. So as always, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and remember, better care is better wear.